Welcome back, boys. Today we are painting the interior of the Sequoia. The Sequoia is like this beige, tan color. Not a fan of it at all. We are going to use some Duplicolor vinyl and fabric. Never used this stuff before. Watched like a YouTube video or two. I hate the way the interior looks, so we're just gonna see how it comes out. I know this video is kind of random, but we're just gonna kind of see how she does. So let's take a look at the inside, take a little overview, and show you what we're painting. So this is the color of the interior. So it's like a tan, maybe beige. I don't really know what you want to call it. I plan on painting pretty much everything. I don't think I'm going to paint the headliner, but I plan on painting all the plastics that you see, the carpet. The seats I'm going to leave, maybe the base of the seats with the plastic. But yeah, pretty much everything you see, I do plan on painting. This is kind of what it looks like. Now, there is some discoloration in the carpet. By the way, this hasn't all been vacuumed yet, but there is discoloration. I have hot water extracted this and everything. It hasn't really come out, and it looks like shit. This is from the previous owner, had a battery acid spill, and there's no carpet here, so it looks fucking horrible. So hopefully I can make this look better by painting this all. I do think we're going to paint the door panels too. The biggest gripe I have is these. Apparently this happens to almost all these Sequoias. So yeah, I'm just going to use it on pretty much everything. Don't think it could look much worse than that. So we're just going to go for it, boys. And I'm going to kind of keep you updated as we go along here. All right, so truck is clean. Chris is rubbing everything down with alcohol. We did some test spots there and there. This isn't done. This is really light coats, but it looks pretty good. Also, we're not look, this carpet is never going to be 100%, right? I mean, it looks like shit. It's pretty tough. It's not, super soft and fabric-y. This is pretty fabric-y. This is not. Most of this is hard. I mean, we could tape this off and, really try to do a super good job. But the reality of the situation is it's not really going to matter, right? Most of this is hard, stiff fabric. Most of the fibers don't even stand up anymore. Obviously, you have this huge mess here. There's this staining, this discoloration. So we're kind of just, going with the flow. We're not going to tape much of anything off besides the windows. And then we're probably going to pop out the all the wood grain pieces. But yeah, we're just going to kind of go for it and see how she turns out. All right, let's see this little fucking creepy fuck. Oh, God. Oh, dude, that is... Look at that guy.
Just watch out. It is a cricket. It will fucking jump.
Oh. Oh, it's ugly. Oh, that's ugly.
Yeah, those things.
Guys, this is how we're looking. The light, it's a little washed up. It's a lot darker in person, but it's looking pretty good. This side, still some light coats, as you can see. This side, it looks incredible. I mean, that looks factory. Same thing with this. Came out really good. I'll swoop around, give you guys a better shot. This, we still haven't really sprayed because obviously this is not sticking very well. So yeah, again, I do apologize because it seems a little washed up. The video seems a little exposed, but this is looking really good overall. Again, this side is not even close to done. That side's pretty close to done. We still have the inside in there to do, but it looks really good. We haven't done any of the door cards yet, but I mean, look at that. See, that's a pretty good shot because that's not overexposed over there. Let me bring you guys up there. But I mean, it's looking really good. This is pretty much dry, by the way. I mean, we might hit it with another mist, but for the most part, I mean, it looks really good. I'm very happy with how this all came out, especially that back plastics back there. Looks really good. So I'll let you guys know when we're back with more. All right, guys, so this is the end of day one. We've got a lot of it done. We did not do the headliner. We also did not do this because we're worried about getting overspray on the windows. But it looks really good. Honestly, it looks pretty factory. The carpet looks phenomenal. This is dried, by the way. I think we're done with the carpet. Maybe a few little touch-ups. in certain spots, but the carpets are pretty much done. These plastics, the bottom pieces of the plastics are pretty much done. We do have to get, like, you know, in there and under these, flip these up, but this is pretty much done. Let me come around the side and I'll show you guys kind of. None of this was done yet, so the front hasn't been done, the center console. We ran out of cans. We used 8 cans for what you guys are seeing. Still not all done. Probably gonna have to get like 4 more cans, maybe 3 more cans to do the headliner and the rest of this, but we'll see. Probably 4 cans will do, but it's looking really good. The door panels, I know the lighting isn't great, but the door panels actually look pretty decent. So these definitely, all the door panels need another coat for sure, especially that one. But we have some touch up to do, and we have the roof to do, and should pretty much be done. So tomorrow we will go out and get more cans and hopefully finish her up. Lighting's kind of shit, but kept the wood grain. Steering wheel we couldn't really do. I'm gonna figure something out with this later. But again, we kept the wood grain. It actually looks really good with the black. Like, look at that, dude. It's like factory finish. All the headliners done. Back here, again, it's like factory finish. That's a bug right there. Carpets back there. I'll come around to the back. I mean, it's literally fuck me, sorry. Like a factory finish, dude. It came out really good. I'm very, very happy with everything. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the seats yet, but yeah.